video tutorial to explain how to use drama activities in the lesson plan. In this video, it is going to be explained how the drama activities were integrated into a drama-based lesson. Target audience and context is A1 level, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 50 minutes, and the topic is Little Red Riding Hood. Pre-task introduction. Place colored cards with names of different colors around the classroom. Teacher says a color and all students must run to that card. Elicit what the lesson today will be about. Activity 1. YouTube video. Tell students they are going to watch a video on the colors of the rainbow. Pick up a colored crayon as mentioned in the song. Teacher writes the colors on the board. Play the video again for the class to sing together. Main task. Drama activities for key vocabulary. Teacher asks students if they can think of a fairy tale with the color in the title. Teacher confirms class answers of Little Red Riding Hood. The teacher will read the synopsis of the fairy tale, but with the addition of many different colors. Post-task improvisation. In groups, teacher says, let's consider other possibilities for the ending, after reading the synopsis. The students have to use as many colors in their ending and make it as entertaining as possible.